everybody, Pascal here. This will be a triple upload today, and then I'll upload like by my regular schedule, because I want to have 6 videos out this week since I'm out like all week. So yeah, I should have made this Miitopia video 2 days ago, and I should have made the Pikmin video that I'm gonna make today as well, yesterday, and the Deltarune video for today would be on time. But yeah, whatever that guy said, let's go. Let's commence forth. Tressa, Marius, Tressa and Marius. We were in New Lumos and we were traveling this entire area. But it's about time we go back to Galados Isle. But yeah, it's time we go back to Galados Isle. Blade Bat. Batman. The Batman confirmed. Brain Cell, I thought you were more competent than that. Fine, drain my life savings with a microphone that you're only going to use like once. Now I can't pay for that arm sword that no one wanted. She needs to be able to dunk people. Wait, did I not get the luxury frying pan? Oh, that's luminous. Oh, okay, I'm already starting to enter reskin territory for items. Let's see if I can grab a hero robe. Because you like a hero robe. Stop giving me adding tickets, please. I understand they wanted to add new content to Miitopia. Like, they could have just not had the adding tickets, because they just waste time to get actual useful items. Because I used to have game tickets galore. That used to be my own... That used to be the outing tickets of old Miitopia. Boom. Like, that used to be the outing tickets of old. You used to get those in a crap ton, and you're like, man, I don't want free items, bruh. But now, your inventory is filled with outing tickets that you don't even want to use. I ain't going up there. We're going back to Galados. The Galados are for a reason. Maybe let's not go the same path we went last time. It was just the noses that were extremely annoying. Hope there are no noses. Let's hope. Eh. Still better than noses. Luckily we got Dragon. He can heal us. That only did a fraction of their HP. I forgot about that. Anyway, I don't care if you're full on HP. I want to remove this squirrel. fix. Giant exists for a reason. And this is the exact reason Giant exists. Okay, why did I do spicy dinner? That was actually kind of stupid of me, but anyway. Trying to do flambe. Giant is keeping people alive, and that is good. Giant doesn't actually have to attack. He can just waste his turn healing us because... Let's go. Dark Eye Slash. Did a 75 damage. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna speed this one up. Peace. Why does the spicy speeds take like only a few seconds to cook? Hot shot. Jaden actually dodged it. His reaction time is garbage. Okay, it's empty. I don't care. As long as we get enough XP from, you know, killing these UFOs, then I'm fine. This song's been looping for like 5 minutes. You're dead. Wrong sprinkle, but okay. I'll take the healing for now. Double dodge, like epic. Yes! Giant hits our righteous anger, okay. Then with the Dark Eye Slash. Oh no, violence. Man, maybe we should just not do this route and worry about quests for a little bit. Oh, thank you. I needed that. Because there are some new people for questing. What if it takes us 2 decades to complete, like, 2 basic enemies? Well, they're not really basic, they're really strong boys. But if it takes us 2 decades to beat these guys, number 1, we're gonna get a lot of EXP, and number 2, we should not go through this route ever again. But the fact that nobody died is amazing. Like, legit, nobody died. Let's just leave here. Because I have a feeling we're actually going to get killed. Oh, I forgot I could pause everything. Let's go to that quest. Oh, it's a fetch quest, okay. Yes. If you're giving me free food, then of course I'll help you. Except for, Dudley. Dudley is actually a potato. I'm not gonna help him with anything. Unless I feel like helping Dudley, alright? It's a candle. Got the wrong Amazon order, huh? Yay! Snack. Final help, Dudley. Actually, no, this... Dudley, do you think you could wait until tomorrow? Okay. Sure, yeah, whatever. I think I'm having flashbacks to this quest. It's at Chili Peak, and it's a tough quest. If I see just a dog immediately there, I am forfeiting the quest, and I am helping Dudley, alright? Also, I haven't been here in like 2 decades, so... It feels like forever. Yeah, I just wasn't allowed to cross here. Oh, I just gotta go completely travel through the whole... this whole area. This would be cool if it was in VR. Dig. Don't worry about it. I don't care if it was money. You need to keep your HP. Hot or cold? Constant damage, or being frozen solid. And frozen solid it is. Wait, no, the dog. What the dog doing? What are you doing? Oh, a brave man. Can't believe this mole is brave enough to live in conditions like this. He seems like the mole that would literally take us 2 decades to defeat. Oh, he's almost dead. Nice. Stab him. Huh. A little EXP, but that's good. Still gotta stride a Sunday. Is Jiden famous? He may be. Who knows? Ah, crystals. I haven't seen you since the tower. Actually, you use pro cooking. Doing my job as a healer. Wait, there were 2 eyes on him? I literally cannot see. I want to start experimenting with thumbnails on this channel, because a lot of the thumbnails are just screen caps from the video. Stratus Sunday, epic version. Who's the letter from? It's from Carrie. Carrie again, pulling out the worthless items. No, you don't. No. We gotta go. We gotta get through this blizzard, dog. She has a leprechaun suit. I like the tiny little hat. The tiny little hat's nice. Just give him a tiny little hat. The heart thing. If we're gonna continue going through this route, it's gonna take us a long time, so I'm starting a new arc here. Get, like, absolutely trolled. Oh. Just a minute there! Was a never-ending thirst for fun and games. Why? Why are you just sitting down in a snowstorm, okay? General knowledge. I haven't done this one yet. There is no pirates. There is no pirate job. Unless in Miitopia 2 there is a new skill. There will be a new job. How many arms does an octopus have? 8. What? Meat. He's holding meat. Nice. 5 HP bonus, chat amount. Let's continue. Snow Griffin. You got this smile. Well, of course, there has to be griffins around here, because where the griffins first appeared, the rocky area, like you saw there was like a mountain where people would walk up there. They probably had to, you know, fly. Oh my god. Shot. The cat's paw. In conclusion, you lost. The man has the Mario 64 punch gloves, dude. And also, nobody took any damage. What that feeling? Let's see, I agree. Huh? What? Was this a dream? I had a nap in a snowstorm. Okay. I'm wearing short sleeves. And Jotun is wearing open sleeves, so we, like, he's wearing metal or something, I don't know. But I should be literally dead. Guard. Oh, wait. I'm a healer. Forgot about that. Spinny. Laser. I'm pretty sure Dynamo is going to use Panacea, but I don't care. Guard. I'll just ready a feast. Everyone's going to heal themselves, never mind. The poor thing. It left! Oh, one less enemy to fight. Dang. There's no Bazing Anger. Well, it's time for a flambe, and let's show that crystal how it's done. Kill the slash, +1. Please don't shoot me out of the cannon. It's gonna cause me to hate you. Let me your ears, click lanterns. So it substituted his magic for a boof attack. An AoE attack that hits 4 people at once. Like, I want to be the guy that ties the lore together on in this game. Like, why people do things, where monsters originally came from. Why did the Dark Lord do this? Because anger. But there's a lot of stuff I can conclude from doing this. Or am I helping? Ooh, an MP candy, nice. That probably was just another monster. But guys, I'm gonna have to end this video off right here. Oh, an emergency. Great. Please say Giant's not sick. It's Ghost. Someone must have brought in a cold. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be the end of today's episode of Miitopia, and I hope to see you guys actually tomorrow for more Miitopia. But as of now, see you gamers.